Hey guys, it's Rishi here, and in this tutorial video I want to show you as to how to use the keyword primer software to harvest thousands of keywords. Now this video is applicable both for the Keyword Primer Pro as well as the Lite version, as the features are the same except that the Lite version allows you to install only in one computer and has only updates for a year, whereas for a Pro version you can enjoy updates, lifetime free updates. So the software is divided into three sections. So you have the settings section, you have the keywords, and the results section. Settings section is where you will choose all your settings. The keywords section is where you will load your seed keywords, and the software will display the results in the results section. So the first step is to load some seed keywords. So you can type in your seed keywords here, or sometimes you would want to load it from a file because you already have a list of seed keywords. So in that case, you will have to click this button, load from file. Now the software will look for the file in your desktop which has the name keywords, and this is really important that you have the exact name, for this exact name of keywords with the small caps, and the name of the file should be keywords.txt. So when you load all your seed keywords in this file and click this button, the software will load all your seed keywords. So let me quickly show you another example. So if I save this file and click load from file, you can see that the seed keyword baking was also added to this list. So once you have added your seed keywords, the next step is to choose your search engine, because if you don't, then the software will tell you to choose one, and then you have to choose your thread count. So basically, if you have a lot of keywords, you can choose some more thread count. If you have less keywords, you can choose maybe one or two as a thread count. The next step will be to choose a add feature, like whether or not you want to add or you don't want to add the A to Z or AA to ZZ to the keywords, which I'll show you in a few minutes. So I will choose none here, and I'll just click the start button. So the status is always updated here. The software has loaded 6 keywords and it has harvested over 60 keywords. So it will harvest keywords for all of the seed keywords that we have chosen here. Now obviously the results will be less if you don't append the A to Z on AA to ZZ. And that is where the software really shines, because this is what uses the Google Suggest feature. So let me show you a quick example where I'm going to append the A to Z, and you can choose to add it after or before. So let us say, for the sake of example, we choose it after, and I will also reduce the number of keywords to just to show you the example as how it works. So once again, I will click the start button. So as you can see now, the software is adding the A to Z Google Suggest feature to all of this, to all the to the seed keyword buy online, and it has finished doing it. So buy online Z, buy online Y, or beginning from buy online A. So what if I want to add it before? So instead of adding it after, I'm going to add it before. So now the software is appending A to Z feature before the seed keyword. So you can see to buy online books. So it is doing the reverse of what we did after. So whenever you are choosing the add feature, you have to choose where you want to add, whether you want to add before or after, or a wildcard. And I'll just discuss the wildcard in a second. So another thing is that you can choose different search engines. So if you want to make the same search using the Bing search engine, so the software will go and do the same thing for the Bing search engine. Similarly applies for Yahoo. So this is how easy it is to search for different keywords with different search engines in Keyword Primer. Now I want to show you some other features like you can clear the keywords at any point of time. So you want to clear the keywords, you can clear the seed keywords here. You can also clear the results from here. Um, so I will now I want to show you quickly how to use these buttons. So for that, once again, I load a seed keyword. So let us say I want to remove all the keywords which has the word soda in them. So there's only one keyword which has the word soda. And maybe I will also remove a keyword which has the word salmon. So you have to separate them by a pipe character. As you can see that the keywords with the word soda and salmon, they are no longer available in the results tab. If we want to, so let us say that if we want to remove the keywords which are greater than number 2, so here there are 3 keywords which are higher than number 2. So I'll just choose. So as you can see that we are now left with 5 keywords. So if I choose remove greater than 1, we should be left only with the keyword baking. So you can also save all the results to a file. So for that, all you have to do is click the save to a file button, and you will see the Excel file with the results in your desktop. So now I wanted to show you the wildcard feature, and this is really a good feature. And if you see my one-page cheat sheet, I have suggested on how to use the Google wildcards. So basically what the wildcards do is they replace the star by giving you more options. So for example, it could be buy mobile phones online, or it could be many other keywords that the star will replace. So whenever you have to use the wildcard, you just add a star, and you can add it anywhere. You can add it before, you can add it in the middle, you can add it in the after. Firstly, I want to show you that you can use the wildcard feature without appending the AZ to AS2ZZ feature. So once again, like if you add the A to Z or AA to ZZ feature, the results will increase exponentially. So it will also be added to the wildcard. So as you can see that once you choose the AA to ZZ feature, you will exponentially get more results. So that's it, guys. This is how easy it is to use the Keyword Primer Pro software. And if you have done keyword research, it's always a good idea to get started with a big list of seed keywords, and then you keep drilling down till you find those golden nugget keywords, just as I show in the demo where I found the keyword baking cakes. How to bake without eggs, and which had a search volume of 500 and a competition which was less than 30,000. That is the kind of keywords that you're looking for. But it all begins by harvesting a huge list of seed keywords. And as you can see that the potential that the software offers is a lot. And I hope that you are able to use the software and able to achieve your keyword research goals. And if you have any questions, do get in touch with our support.